Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add legal policies to your Squarespace store checkout page. This is an essential step for any online business as it helps establish trust with your customers and ensures you're complying with legal requirements. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where all your websites are displayed. Now, from your dashboard, locate and click on the website where you want to add these legal policies to your store checkout page. This action will take you into that specific site's editor and management area. If you have multiple websites, make sure you're selecting the correct one to avoid making changes to the wrong store. Once you're inside your website's dashboard, turn your attention to the left side menu. Here, you'll need to find and click on the gear icon. This gear icon represents the settings section, which is where you'll access all the configuration options for your site and store. After clicking the gear icon, the settings panel will open up. Focus again on the left side of this settings area. Look for the option labeled Selling and click on it. This will expand additional options related to your store's functionality. From these options, select Checkout. This is where you can customize how your checkout process appears and functions for customers. Now scroll down through the checkout settings until you find a section labeled Checkout Page. Under this section, you'll see an option called Store Policies. Click on it to access the fields where you can add your legal information. You'll now see three important fields displayed on your screen. There's a return policy field, a terms of service field, and a privacy policy field. These are the areas where you'll input the legal text that customers need to see before completing their purchase. Let's start by adding some content to the return policy field. Click inside this field and type in your return policy details. This should outline how customers can return items, the time frame for returns, and any conditions that apply. Take your time here to ensure the information is clear and comprehensive. Next, move to the Terms of Service field. Click inside and enter your Terms of Service content. This typically covers the rules and guidelines for using your store, payment terms, and other legal agreements between you and your customers. Finally, add your content to the Privacy Policy field. This is where you'll explain how you collect, use, and protect customer data. It's crucial to be transparent here, especially with current privacy regulations. Once you've completed filling in all three policy fields with your legal information, look for the Save button and click it. This will apply your changes and ensure that these policies are now visible to customers during the checkout process. And that's it. You've successfully added legal policies to your Squarespace store checkout page, making your online business more professional and legally compliant. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.